Hey there, Lennar fans. Roberto Lee here with Pinnacle Property, and today we are at Treviso Bay, Naples, previewing our newest listing. This is Trevi Court, Unit 4811. It's part of the terrace line of condos that you're going to find here at Treviso Bay. This one here is the Celiana floor plan. It's the end unit. It's 2+ den, run around 1,400 square foot. It is a non-golf condo, so you don't have any golf dues. Let's run inside and take a look. So as we come inside the Celiana, directly to the left is going to be the guest bedroom and bath. So right here is the guest bedroom with upgraded flooring, and we also have a walk-in style closet, and this is right off of the guest bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and the combination tub and shower. Now right off the entry, you do have an enclosed laundry space, which is really nice here. You have a washer and dryer full size with additional storage directly above. And you also have a pocket door to close this off when you're doing your laundry. Now right off of that, you have the kitchen here. You've got the granite countertops, stainless appliances. You've got a nice eat-in kitchen area right here. Nice pantry there. And this all overlooks the great room area. Now coming right out into that great room area, right here underneath this fixture, this is where typically you would have your dining room table and your bar stools right there at the kitchen. And directly across from that, you have your den here. The carpet was taken out of this room as well. So we've got upgraded flooring there. And also you do have the pocketing sliders. You can shut that right there and have a private third bedroom if you like. And then you've got your nice great room space here with the master bedroom being in the corner. And again, the carpet was taken out of here as well. Upgraded flooring on this master. It fits a king size bed, no problem. You've got his and hers walk-in style closets. And then you've got the master bath here with the singular sink, the commode, and you've got a standalone shower here. Now, last but not least, we have the amazing views here off of this home. So right back here, you are going to be seeing the views of the beautiful lake right outside here. Such a beautiful view of the lake and the Rookery Bay Preserve. All right, folks, so if you are interested in this home, you can reach us at all of the contact information below. For Pinnacle Property, this is Roberto Lee, and we appreciate you watching.